We're here in Carteret Mobile Park again, and we just had the closing on O-11, and now we're getting ready for the closing for O-12. This house is sold, and it is lot O-12, so we still have a few things to do here. We have to do the skirting around the steps. We've added custom steps to this manufactured home here in Carteret Mobile Park. We have outside electric, and the shed will be coming. And there's outside water, another outside electric, and then the cables sticking out for the bedroom and the living room. So that's 2 cable jacks there. And we have the central air conditioning installed, and the propane gas is ready to go. Let's go inside and take a look at this house. So this was a very unusual situation. It doesn't happen that often. I shouldn't say unusual. What it is uncommon. The uncommonness is when someone presents a request to order a house and they provide us with a $40,000 to $50,000 down payment to order the house from the manufacturer. So this is what they ordered. They went and looked at a couple houses in Edison, our sister community, right down the street, about 15 minutes away. And they decided to come back to Carteret and order a house for this lot with their specifications. So they chose what we were building in the other houses, O9, O10, and O11, were all 2 bedrooms. This house is a little bit bigger in the setup because there's no second bedroom. So we're gonna go take a look at that. So they also chose the canoe birch cabinets and the stainless steel package, and all of the appliances are under warranty. They're all Whirlpool. And again, we did the little corner piece underneath the cabinetry for that added beauty. Underneath we have the same pearl tile, glass tile, and the bronzite countertop. Here is the farm sink with all the pieces that go with it. And let's pan over to see the window where you would put your dining room set, and again the living room. So this is a manufactured house under Energy Star certification requirements, and this is the furnace. The furnace runs the hot air furnace using propane gas and the central air conditioning. It runs through there. This is the one bathroom, and they chose not to have the shower door placed on it so that they can purchase their own. And this is a step-in shower, so they're waiting to do that next week when they move in. So we have the little blinds that go up, and they're all thermal pane windows. This mirror is framed, and the cosmetic box is above the toilet. As I like to say, the commode. And that's the countertop that matches the kitchen. And we've got LED lighting and the fan, but I don't have it on so that you can hear me. So this wallpaper is the water resistant paper. The rest of the house is drywall in the living room and kitchen. And this is your 9-light cottage door out the back door. So by code, the HUD code, following the regulations, they have to provide a second door for egress from the bedroom. They chose a stackable washer and dryer area, so they'll be providing that. And then this is their bedroom, which is much bigger because they, again, use the square footage space for the floor plan in the living room and the bedroom. In here you have the hot water heater. And there's the warranty booklet. All the appliances have warranties. And this bedroom is so wide, we now have 2 sliding bypass doors. So it's set up for wire. This is your all house water shutoff. And in here you have the screen doors, the screen covers for the Anderson storm doors that we installed. Here's the serial number for Champion Home Builders. Here's the data plate that shows you all the appliances that are in the house, and they're numbers, registration numbers, and here's the certification that the house is Energy Star certified. So here's the view from this back corner of the bedroom. And there's the cable jack for this bedroom. 2 windows, a lot of light, and again the LED lights above. So if you, here's the 100 amp service for the electric. Let's close that up. That looks really pretty. And if you're interested, you can go to our website, myhomeincarteret.com. In Carteret, New Jersey, Dolan Homes builds the houses for Carteret. Carteret is the community, and Dolan Homes builds the houses. And Robert Dolan holds all the licenses for building. So if you're interested, you can go to My Home in Carteret or dolanhomes.com and fill out the 15 pre-qualifying questions. If you have a rather substantial down payment, you too can let us know, and we will let you know where available lots are that you can semi-custom build and choose the colors that you decide that you want. So we're happy to be here and provide this service and this opportunity for those who can, who have that kind of ability. Otherwise, anyone else, you still go to the website and fill out the 15 pre-qualifying questions, and we'll let you know which houses we've already ordered that will be available that you can apply for, and following the intake process that starts at our website. Thank you so much for cooperating. We've made a lot of adjustments during COVID to make it easier for people to contact us and to run through the program. We're working on getting applications done directly on the website. So that's the next step in trying to streamline the process and make it easier for everybody. We're happy to accommodate and work with the latest technology to help everybody out. And if you happen to not have an email, we remind you that you can get a friend or a relative to help you out to go to our website and start there. But because of COVID, we definitely have to do it either email or online, but it starts with our website. So it's a little combination of both. So thank you again. We really appreciate your visiting here on our YouTube channel, and we ask you to like and subscribe and share this amazing opportunity of innovative, quality, manufactured homes in the shadow of New York City. I love saying that because I've turned the comments off on YouTube when a lot of people from our southern states are appalled by the pricing up here in New Jersey, but everything up here is more expensive, and thankfully salaries also are commensurate, similar to what the prices are. Most employees here pay more because of the higher standard of living. So thank you again, and we really appreciate it from the Dolan family with love.